Image sliders are great, but what if you could take it a step further with videos? Meet the video comparison slider that lets the visitors drag, hover, and instantly see the transformation in motion. It's perfect for product demos, redesign walkthroughs, or makeover reels, moments where pictures alone are just enough. To use this feature, you will need the WP Before After Image Slider plugin. I'm already working with the Pro version here, and if you like to use it, you can get it directly from CodeCanal, or I will drop the link in the description for you. In the last tutorial, we built the image slider. Today, we will create your first before-after video slider in WordPress using the WP Before After Image Slider plugin. So let's begin. First, let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, there is a before-after slider. So click on it and then add new slider. So there is an option named add new slider. Make sure to give a title that is relevant to your content. For example, you can use fitness journey or website redesign according to your need. So it will be easier to keep track later on. And then there is an option named slider type. Click on it, as we will be working with the video today, so click on the video. So there are two options, as you can see, video source. For the video source, YouTube link or upload video. For the YouTube link, you can directly take it from the YouTube and just copy paste. And for the upload video option, you can see that the dashboard will be like this. For the upload video section, make sure your video format is in MP4 and WebM format. As we will be working with the YouTube link today, so we'll take the link from the YouTube. So let's take this video for the before. Just copy paste the link, and for the after video, let's take this one. So as you can see, I have added both the links for the before YouTube link and after video YouTube link. So here's an pro tip for you. As you can see, there is a start time in second and end time 8 seconds for both the videos option. If your videos are long, you can use this start time and end time to trim the videos. As a result, your audience will get to see the most impactful part of the transformation. As our videos are short, so we'll be skipping the start and end time option, and based on your need, please make sure to do it. Next option is the before video level. Here you can use before, and for the after video level you can use after, or also you can use old version or after version. It's totally up to you. Adding the level will help your slider easier to understand and more professional. Next, you can see the settings option. Here is the divider default offset. You can change this by dragging as you wish. And then for the trigger type, we can if you click on it, you'll find drag and hover option. And then there is the show overlay and show labels option. Make sure to keep it turned on. And then there is a slider orientation. As you can see, there are two options, horizontal and vertical. And for the slider template, you will find plenty of options to give your handle different styles. Make sure to choose the one that ideally matches your size design. And for the video control, you'll find the loop video and autoplay option. For the loop video, if enabled, the video will automatically start when it reaches the end. They are perfect for product demos or any transformation reels. For the autoplay option, when turned on, the slider will start playing the moment when someone reaches the land page or refreshes it without requiring a click. As we are done with this part, let's move on to the style tab. As you can see, there are several options like overlay. For the overlay, you will see that background color and background gradient option. By clicking on the hover or default, you can easily change the color like this. And then for the gradient, similarly you can do it. For example, you can see there is two options like linear and radial. Pick the one that ideally suits your need. And then for the handle, we'll also find plenty of options like the arrow color, background gradient. Similarly, you can change it like this. And then there is a border style. There are plenty of options, as you can already see by clicking on it, like solid, double, dotted, dash, group. And then there is a border width that you can change, and then there is a border color. You'll find the color palette by clicking on it, and you can change it like this. And then there is a divider option. As you can see there, you can also change its colors as well. Just click on it and then add the color that you want. And then there is a width option as well that you can change by clicking on the number or by dragging it like this. And then there is a level option. By clicking on the level, you'll find there is plenty of options like the alignment, for example, the top, center, bottom. Let's keep it on the center. And then there is the align option as well. You can change it like this. And then there is the text color option, background color option, background gradient color option for both the before and after. Just click on it, you'll find the color palette. Just move it like this, move the cursor like this, and pick the one that you want. Also, you can add the color code if you have it. It's totally up to you. And then there is the border style. By clicking on it, you'll find several options like this. Pick the one that you need. And if you want the padding, you can also add here. Here, every detail can be personalized according to your need to seamlessly fit into your site. Once you're happy with the setup, just copy the shortcode and paste it anywhere you want. Click publish, and just like that, your video slider is live. Let's see how it works. Let's click on the add page option. You'll find the add page and all page. Let's click on the add page. Let's give the title, and then we will add the shortcode. And then click on publish. And then we'll click on the view page. Yeah, here our video slider is ready. So you can drag it like this and see the entire screen. It's the before one and this is the after. You can also pause the video as you like, also mute the video, or also turn on the video. You can mute the video and unmute as well. So it's our final output. And that's how you create a video slider in WordPress using the WP before after image slider plugin. Try the free version today or upgrade to Pro for even more powerful features. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials and plugin guides. And for any questions, comment down below.